Welcome to Thermal. This is always great to have you guys out here from the IndiGO group. How many of you guys, just a show of hand, have had some track experience, done track days? Perfect. We're on South Palm, so just the red track today. It's about 2 miles long, so pace yourself 5 to 6 laps. That's a pretty good number out there. We're gonna be managing the pressures on your tires. If you have any exact pressures you want, we can do that. Right on. Well, I think that's it, guys.